Problem 50, we're trying to figure out the equation of the line through these 2 points. Well, whenever we have 2 points, usually we know we're going to have to figure out what the slope of the line is, because whenever we want to find the equation of a line, we want to find the point and a slope. So we have a point already. We can use either one of these, but we have to find the slope. Well, the slope is the change in y, y2 minus y1, over the change in x, x2 minus x1. So the change in y, y2, I'll choose 5 for my y2, 4 for my y1, and then my x2 minus x1 is 2 minus negative 3. Be careful with these minus signs. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus negative 3 is like 2 plus 3, and that's 5. So we have a slope. We can use either one of these points. In fact, let's go ahead and do that. Y minus y1, we'll use that, equals the slope times x minus x1. x1 is negative 3, so x minus negative 3 is x plus 3. So there's the equation of the line. And if you're thinking, well, what if we use the other one? What if we use the other point? We would have y minus 5 equals 1/5 times x minus 2. Well, guess what happens? If you multiply through by the 1/5, you get 1/5 x minus 2/5. It gets to be kind of a pain when you've got fractions, but if you add 5 to both sides, you get minus 2/5 plus 5. Well, plus 5 is plus 25 over 5. We have to get a common denominator if we're going to combine those two fractions. So we get minus 2/5 plus 25/5 is plus 23 over 5. So there's our equation of the line in slope-intercept form. And let's take this equation and put it in slope-intercept form. So we have y minus 4 equals, we're going to distribute the 1/5 x plus 3/5. And if we add 4 to both sides, we're going to get y equals 1/5 x plus 3/5 plus 4. Now, plus 4 equals, if we multiply top and bottom by 5, we have to get a common denominator. We get 20 over 5. So we have 20 over 5, and you can see this coming together here. So if we combine these two fractions, we get 3 plus 20 is 23. And that's exactly what we had. Y equals that is exactly what we got when we used the same slope, but we used a different point. So these two are the same. They have to be the same because it's the same line. Sorry, I didn't show you that. 4 is 20 over 5. I didn't show that. It was off the screen when I was doing that. I just finally realized that, but anyway, there you go.